terrorist. We are, my country now is the terrorist country, is the Bangladesh. That's why US.
Go back, go back. Go back, go back. Go back, go back. Go back, go back. Father of terrorists. Father of Taliban. Father of Al-Qaeda. Father of Al-Qaeda.
Go back, go back.
Go back, go back.
Legs on legs.
একাত্তরের হাতিয়ার গর্জা উঠুক আরেকবার
একাত্তরের হাতিয়ার
The reason we here, as you know, unconstitutionally, Dr. Mohamed Yunus took the power illegally. Actually, he captured the power with dirty politics and a lot of people killings. So far in this,
20,000 people.
so far as we know, our elected Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina did not resign. We are humble request to UN that since they couldn't prove themselves that she resigned, so our humble request, he did not represent Bangladeshi people here. Our humble request, please ignore him. He doesn't represent people of Bangladesh. Thank you.
Sir, what is your name?
My name is Sheikh Jamal Hussain.
You all are from Awami League Party?
I am from Awami League Party. Yes, absolutely. Thank you.